Hello, my friends. Today we are continuing on our kid-friendly mocktail series, and we are making 3 kid-friendly mocktails that are all based on Sprite. And any other lemon lime soda will do, but Sprite's in the title, so that's what I'm using. For our first mocktail based on Sprite, we're going to keep it all citrus all the time. And we're going to simply juice an orange. This should have given us about 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of orange juice. To that, we're going to half fill a glass with ice. And then I'm going to start the garnishing process with one of these blood oranges. And look at that. Dark and glorious. I'm just going to tuck these slices down the side of the glass. You could just use normal orange slices for this. You could use lime slices, but I thought 2 of these slices on the sides of the glass would give this a pretty cool look. And now we finish topping off with ice. And this is all there is to it. Our orange juice. And our Sprite. And this needs a bit of a swizzle just to integrate everything. And there you have it. A citrus morning. And it doesn't seem like we did all that much. All we did was add fresh orange juice to the Sprite. We didn't add all that much, but it dramatically changes the flavor. And because it was fresh orange juice, it suddenly takes this from tasting kinda chemically. Well, not even chemically, just that artificialness of the flavor. And it completely masks any artificial sense. All of a sudden, this tastes like everything in it was fresh juice. And, well, looks pretty cool with those blood oranges. If you can't get blood oranges, just use any other citrus. You'll get a similar effect. Just won't be quite as exciting. All right, for our second drink. We're going a bit tropical, but we're going to use hibiscus tea. So first thing first, we fill our glass with ice. And I'm only going halfway here because I do want to mix things. So now, 2 ounces of hibiscus tea. And I brewed this at quadruple strength. So this is potent stuff. Our Sprite, lemon lime soda, whatever you want to use, to start us filling the glass. And you can see that since it had enough space to kind of move around, we got a bit more mixing this time. And I overfilled it slightly with ice, but who cares? Now, I'm going to make a flour for this. And I'm doing this out of gummy worms and gummy rings. So, you know, there's already enough sugar here. Why not add more? So I'm just taking these gummy worms. I have 3, and I am shoving them through one ring to create something vaguely flour-like. And then I am trimming just below the blossom. And there you go. 1 tropical hibiscus punch. And again, the lemon lime background, I mean, this is really good. It's not as, this is really good. It's not as sweet as the first one. It's not as sour as I expected. It's much more complex. because we used a tea here, we did get some tannins. And that changes the mouthfeel and dramatically improves this one. This is really good. But I think I saved the best for last. This is the Blue Lagoon. Once again, I'm filling us just up a bit with ice. And now I am garnishing with fish. Gummy fish, of course, in all sorts of different colors. And I'm putting them on the rim of the glass. An orange one. Here's a green one. And then I'm going to take and add this little shark guy. And I think these sharks with the white bellies will work better, so I'm going to put him in. And then we add a bit more ice to anchor everything in. Now, you may recognize this ingredient. It's blue curacao syrup. We've used it before. We'll use it again. I'm putting in 1.5 ounces. This is going to be a bit sweet, but we already put candy in here, so why are we trying to hide that fact? Poured the syrup over the ice. And now we add our Sprite. One Blue Lagoon. Kind of looks like a fish tank. That's the goal. It's amazing how different this tastes from this one. Obviously, with the blue curacao, we added an orange flavor, but it's a rather different beast. And I really think it adds quite a bit to the drink. I really enjoy this. And plus, I like fish. You know, this is kind of fun. So there you go. 3 super easy, super kid-friendly mocktails that are all based on lemon lime soda. I'm calling this video 3 mocktails you can make with Sprite, and well, let's face it, that's what it is. 3 kid-friendly mocktails made with Sprite. Sprite is an easy word for me to put into a headline. Use any lemon lime soda you like. They're all pretty much equivalent in this, and you're doctoring them up a fair bit. So any brand loyalty, I don't mind. Thanks for joining us again. And as always, I really would love to hear about it if you make any of these drinks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's an awesome time to do it. You survived to the end of the video. You obviously like my stuff. Until next time, my friends, enjoy.